Okay, basic troubleshooting on an inverter. When troubleshooting inverters, the first step is really, honestly, like with most things electronic, just to slow down and try to isolate the problem. I wouldn't start by assuming, okay, the inverter's failed. A lot of inverter issues are actually battery issues, either a bad fuse or poor connections. Could be load issues. That's usually a poor connection thing, or maybe the battery's bad, or in the case of a lot like newer lithium batteries, maybe the BMS has just shut the battery off to protect itself. So always start at the basics. Is the unit actually getting power? So start by disconnecting loads, unplug the inverter from anything it's connected to, turn off breakers to isolate the inverter output to itself, and then check, is it getting battery power? To do that, you always want to check directly at the back of the unit. So check DC voltage directly at the back of the inverter. Don't check it at the batteries, check it directly at the unit. That way you know, okay, is this unit actually receiving any 12-volt power from the batteries? If it's not, that's the first thing you got to address. Why is it not getting power? It's probably a connection issue or battery issue, something else, but make sure it's getting power first. If it is getting power and it's still not operating correctly, then okay, now we look at internally what's happening in this inverter. Is there an error code on the remote? Is there an error code indicated by the lights on the unit? Does it boot if we just connected to the batteries? Maybe the GFI is tripped, something like that. Is it in a power save mode? We can kind of address more issues there, but step one is always to make sure that it has power. If you get past, okay, it has power and it's still not working, and you're not sure what to do, always just contact our technical team. They're fantastic and they understand how, these products work and exactly the different failure modes they can go into. But step one, always check the battery power is getting to an inverter.